guys, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to review the Pixi Glow Tonic. I'm currently using this every alternate day in my nighttime skincare routine. I've also featured it in my 2018 favorites and also in my nighttime skincare routine video. You can buy this on cultbeauty.com, but if you buy it from there, then there can be some custom charges involved and there might be some shipping. So I bought it from an Instagram store called as Authentic Makeup Love. I shall leave the link to the Instagram store in the bottom description bar. This one contains 250 ml of product and I had bought it for rupees 2200. It's the first time I used an acid product on my skin. This is an exfoliating toner. It contains 5% glycolic acid, aloe vera, which is one of my holy grail skincare products, witch hazel and ginseng. This product exactly does to my skin whatever the name says. It makes my skin glow. It helps me get rid of my uneven skin tone. I had lots of acne marks, all of which I could get rid of by using this product. Being an exfoliating toner, it's more gentle than a face scrub. This helps in skin renewal and thus reveals a brighter glowing complexion. It balances, heals and soothes my skin. It purifies my skin of all the dullness. This gets rid of all the uneven tan and giving me an even tone. They say that you can use this product both in the morning time as well as in the night time. But since the skin is exposed to sunlight during the day, I use it only during my nighttime skincare routine, that also every alternate day, because I have extremely sensitive skin. I started off using it just once a week, then twice a week, and right now I'm using it 3 times a week. After I finish this one off, I'll be using the glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary. It has 7% glycolic acid, so it's stronger than this one, as this contains 5% glycolic acid, so it's milder. There's also a small size available in this, and if it's your first time with glycolic acid toners, then you can try out that one. If you like the small one, then maybe you can repurchase the bigger one as it's more value for money. Now it's very important that you use a broad spectrum sunscreen when you are using a glycolic acid toner. Even if you are using this just once a week, you have to use a good sunscreen in the daytime. I use the one from Neutrogena, which you might have seen in my morning skincare routine video. Now 2200 might be a little too expensive, but you need just a little amount of this product. I have been using this since 2-3 months and you can see I have finished only this much of amount. Plus once this gets over, I'll try out the glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary, and that's priced at like half of this or even lesser. This one works for me. It does not react on my sensitive skin, and I hope the same with The Ordinary. If it is, then it's going to be a one-time investment. If it happens, then I can save a lot of money. This one also helps me get rid of my blackheads and whiteheads. It takes time, but it works. So if there is just one product that you want to try out for brightening your skin, getting rid of dull skin, getting rid of pigmentation, uneven skin tone, pimple marks, then it's this one. Plus, if you also have a very sensitive skin and your skin reacts to physical exfoliation or face scrubs, then maybe you can try out this one. That's all for this video. I hope you liked this review and it's helpful for you. If you did, then do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you are notified of all my future videos. And follow me on my Instagram. Your support is going to motivate me to take my work forward and make more such videos for you all. And I shall see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye!